can say those toys are out of this world, or will be out of this world, Carson.
There you go.
And you know, this heat though, it's for the birds.
Kind of want to get out of this world, right, Marie?
Yes.
Yeah, unfortunately, you know, it is July after all, but this is extreme heat. We've had several bouts of this over the last couple of months, but this could be the worst, if you will, of these rounds of extreme heat. We can see feels like temperatures today as high as 112, maybe 114 in some spots. Right now on the Wave 31 Skycam network, we've got a mix of sun and clouds on this Thursday. Temperatures already in the upper 80s, 87 in Huntsville, 88 out in the Shoals, 85 in Guntersville, and it's 88 degrees in Decatur right now. The Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network is quiet. That's just some ground noise. We're completely dry across North Alabama. Had a few downpours earlier this morning, but that was the first of what could be 2 rounds of storms today. That first round wasn't a whole lot. So what does that mean? That means we have a bit better chance for not only just plain old thunderstorms this afternoon, but a bit higher chance for a few of those storms to become severe. So going through the rest of your afternoon, heading into the evening, we'll have that 40% chance for scattered showers and storms that really start to get going by 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. We'll keep those storm chances in the forecast through the evening, but I do expect us to dry things out by 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. So it's a pretty narrow window for those strong to severe storms. Until those storms get going, though, this is our main concern. Most spots could feel as hot as 108 this afternoon, but those of you in the excessive heat warning out in the Shoals and Lawrence County could feel as hot as 112, maybe 114. You do not want to mess with that kind of heat. Just stay inside if you can. If you have to be outside, take plenty of breaks in the AC and stay hydrated, of course, as well. No major changes to our severe weather outlook here at midday. Still have that level 1 risk for Huntsville, Athens, Decatur, Scottsboro, but you notice that level 2 risk has been scooted up to the north just a little bit. Now includes Coleman and Guntersville, and that's because our atmosphere is pretty untapped. We didn't have a whole lot of thunderstorms this morning, so that means we have plenty of fuel to work with for those storms later on this afternoon. You see on future radar by 4 o'clock, we're going to start to see those storms developing along Interstate 59 and then becoming a bit more widespread, mainly in our eastern counties through the afternoon, continuing through the evening. Not a guarantee that we'll see severe storms, that is, but if we do, we're out to watch for heavy rain, a lot of lightning, and maybe some gusty winds around 60 miles per hour. Storms wind down as we get past sunset tonight as they dive southward towards southern Alabama, and it's a quiet start to your Friday morning with those clouds sticking around, so it'll be very warm and muggy once again tomorrow morning, and we'll have the chance for a couple of those hit and miss downpours, especially west of I-65 tomorrow afternoon and evening before we dry things out heading into the weekend. There's your rainfall forecast. Higher rainfall totals will be east of 65, quarter to half inch for areas like Huntsville, Scottsboro, all of northeast Alabama. But those of you in the Shoals, well, you're not going to see much, if any, rain at all. This takes us through the next 3 days, by the way. And looking ahead to the weekend, we'll keep those high temperatures near 98 degrees. Small chance for 1 or 2 downpours each day, with those feels like temperatures well into the triple digits. And as you look at the 7-day forecast, if you're looking for some relief, well, frankly, I have no relief to speak of. We'll keep those forecast highs around 96 to 98 and those overnight lows in the 70s. Marie?
All right, thank you.